The interstellar wanderer has returned, brighter, sharper, and more detailed than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, has once again turned its golden gaze toward the unknown. What it has revealed is sending ripples through the scientific world, a glimpse of something so extraordinary that it challenges our understanding of planetary formation, interstellar travel, and perhaps even life itself. For the first time, humanity has captured a sharp, detailed image of the mysterious Three-Eye Atlas, a silent traveler drifting beyond the gravitational grasp of our Sun, a relic from a distant star system. Three-Eye Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar visitor ever documented, following the elongated Oumuamua in 2017 and Two-Eye, Borisov in 2019. But unlike its predecessors, which appeared as fleeting streaks or faint blips, Webb has captured this object with unprecedented clarity. This is not a shadow or a blur. It is a fully realized portrait, a fragment of another world frozen in time and space, rich with light, shape, and history. For astronomers, this discovery is more than a technical achievement. It is a bridge across light years, a tangible connection to a solar system that may have long since faded from existence. The telescope's images reveal an irregular, glowing body shrouded in a faint, ghostly halo of reflected light, the first visible trace of its long journey through the void. Webb's infrared sensors exposed a surface etched with deep ridges, fractures, and scars, each a silent testament to cosmic violence. Collisions with other interstellar debris, the slow grinding of dust and ice, and the relentless bombardment of radiation over millions of years. Unlike Oumuamua, which presented itself as a smooth, cigar-shaped anomaly, Three-Eye Atlas is rugged, ancient, and profoundly complex, sculpted by fire, ice, and time in a star system far removed from our own. Spectral analysis revealed something even more astonishing. Its surface contains frozen carbon compounds, silicates, volatile ices, and complex organics, the very elements from which planets, atmospheres, and possibly life arise. These molecules suggest that the building blocks of life are not confined to a single planetary system, but drift across the galaxy, carried by fragments like Three-Eye Atlas. In this sense, the object is not merely a scientific curiosity. It is a messenger, a fragment of alien creation, silently traversing the Milky Way to deliver the chemical signatures of a world humanity may never physically reach. When the first processed images were unveiled, the room fell silent. Scientists stared in awe, realizing they were observing matter that had never belonged to our Sun. This was alien material, born around a distant star, now drifting silently through the cold abyss of interstellar space. Three-Eye Atlas had traveled millions, perhaps billions, of kilometers, cutting across the darkness under the guidance of gravity, chance, and cosmic chaos. Yet faint heat beneath its icy crust suggested it was not entirely inert. Perhaps slow radioactive decay or intermittent exposure to starlight had kept it alive, however faintly. It was not merely a relic, it was a living chronicle of another solar system, whispering its story across the void. Astronomers first detected Three-Eye Atlas using the Atlas survey in Hawaii, designed to find near-Earth asteroids. Once its hyperbolic trajectory was confirmed, it was clear that this object was not bound to our Sun. It was an interstellar visitor. Ground-based telescopes could trace its motion and brightness, but revealing its face required the extraordinary capabilities of the Webb telescope. Floating beyond Earth's atmosphere, Webb's infrared mirrors pierced the darkness, unveiling an alien world frozen yet subtly active, a fragment of a star system not our own. Webb's instruments detected elemental ratios unlike anything in our solar system. The data suggest formation around a cooler star, likely a red dwarf, whose faint light nurtured Three-Eye Atlas for billions of years before it was ejected into interstellar space. Humanity now held a fragment of another solar system, a message carried across the galaxy, a relic of processes that shaped planets, comets, and possibly life itself. The object's reddish hue, captured in false color imaging, comes from tholins, complex organic molecules formed by long-term exposure to radiation. These compounds, found in outer solar system bodies, are thought to be precursors to life. That they survived interstellar travel hints that the chemical seeds of biology are not confined to a single world. They are cosmic nomads, drifting between stars, waiting for hospitable conditions to awaken. 3I Atlas rotates unevenly, slowly tumbling in the void. It is not a single solid body but a loosely bound assembly of rocks, ice, and dust, held together by gravity and the memory of its formation. Webb even detected faint jets of vapor escaping from the sunlit side. Weak sunlight, traveling billions of kilometers, is enough to warm the surface just enough to release pockets of frozen gas, forming a halo that gives the object its spectral glow. Scientists were astonished. No one expected an interstellar object, drifting through near absolute zero, to still show signs of activity. This faint venting transforms 3I Atlas from a relic into a living witness of cosmic history. Every ridge, every fracture, every trace of organic molecule tells a story that unfolded long before humanity existed. Each atom has journeyed farther than imagination can contain, yet its photons, carrying information about a distant system, now strike a lens built by human hands. It is a meeting of two civilizations, one natural and one technological, connected across billions of kilometers by curiosity, observation, and light. The discovery reshapes our understanding of planetary systems. It shows that solar systems do not exist in isolation. Over eons, fragments of planets, comets, and asteroids drift outward, mingling with the interstellar medium, seeding other systems with dust, ice, and organic matter. The galaxy becomes a vast interconnected ecosystem, with stars and planets contributing to one another's evolution. 3I Atlas may once have belonged to a planet destroyed in its youth or ejected by gravitational chaos. Now it drifts through the void, carrying the story of its lost home across the galaxy. As its image streamed to Earth, researchers realized they were witnessing more than just data. It was a fragment of alien history, a relic with its own story, frozen yet alive. The photons captured by Webb's mirrors traveled across interstellar space, through darkness and silence, to reach a machine built by humans. They are not just light, they are a bridge between civilizations, a reminder that the universe is vast, ancient, and alive with motion and memory. The success of Webb's observation is not merely scientific, it is a celebration of human curiosity. It traces a line from the first stargazers, marveling at the night sky, to a telescope floating beyond the moon, capturing a visitor from another world. Even as 3I Atlas continues its journey away from our solar system, its image remains a symbol of connection, exploration, and wonder. Through studying interstellar wanderers, we begin to understand our own origins. We, too, are made of stardust, born from the remnants of ancient stars, part of the same cosmic journey. Somewhere in another corner of the galaxy, an alien civilization may gaze at a fragment drifting across their sky, wondering about us, just as we now wonder about 3I Atlas. The universe is not empty, it is full of travelers, messengers, and stories waiting to be told. And for a moment, humanity has learned to listen.